I am here vibing one of the most prolific dancehall DJ of the 90s. His parents named him Micheal Mae, but we know him as
Flourgon, you know?
Father Flour.
Original.
Everything good, sir?
Yeah, man.
Man, as I respect, brother.
Bless.
Mad thing.
Teach them around things not around me. And anything we done, it have be done properly. Teach them. Yeah, man, come to video, my General Flourgon and Das. Bam!
This video is brought to you by DS Electronics Unlimited.
Are you looking for reliable and efficient service, affordable rates, world-class customer service? Visit DS Electronics Unlimited. We offer expert repairs to LCD, LED, smart TVs, and Android TVs. We offer warranties on all repairs. Visit www.dselectja.com or call 876-841-4968 for more details.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Father Mae,
Yes, I
all things well.
Yeah, man, I give thanks.
Man look young.
Now the blessing, you know?
Are the blessed.
Yeah, and if you put in love, you know, it will
The
return.
blessing and love.
Yeah, man.
Like it's a good combination. So talk to us though. Early life, place of birth.
Well, I'm born at 3 Mile.
3 Mile.
That
So like a 3 Mile square born so far.
Spanish Town Road.
Yeah.
So, you know, at Jubilee.
Jubilee,
man,
yeah.
but, you know,
So you
which part me really?
grew up.
Yeah, 3 Mile.
Yeah.
Them call a place named Bell Rock.
Bell Rock.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many siblings?
Well, I have 2 brothers. Red Dragon and one.
Red Dragon, your biological brother?
Yeah, man. And we have 2 sisters.
2 brothers, 2 sisters.
Yes.
And Red Dragon is your biological brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and he would have passed away.
Yeah, man.
Which year was that again?
About 3 years ago.
About 3 years ago. My condolences.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
It hurt me, I know, but me I hold it, you know?
Yeah. Mommy and daddy still around?
No. This is.
Both of them?
Yeah, man. Them guys left me, man.
My condolences again. Yeah.
Maybe I go too far, too much condolence.
Yeah. Wow. Where did they attend school though?
Well, first of all, we used to go a local school out at 3 Mile. I don't remember the exact name, but they used to call her Dada, the lady. And
I got Dada basic school.
yeah, and then we leave from there and we go live at Spanish Town for a while. And then we used to go Edith Dalton James, go
Okay.
Friendship College, and we do electrical work at Kingston Technical.
Okay. Cool. So what was it like growing up though?
Well,
Financially?
nobody asked that. After a year, we spent my band, you know where I go on. Well, what things did really thin with my parents, you know? Single parents, mother alone. Father never pay much attention, but as me grew up as a father now, I understand. So I still have the love for my old man and doing past, but my mother, Sister Lodge, I'm a general.
Yeah.
Grew up real rough, struggling to go to school, so we never get proper schooling because financially, mama alone couldn't manage. But our determination and our hard work.
Still put food on the table.
Yeah, man, and make we learn a little thing we can carry through. So, salute Sister Lodge forever.
Yeah.
Man.
So growing up though, I mean, you said things were a struggle, yeah? But as a child, what did you want to do with your life though? Was there something specific where you said, that's something I want to do, or it was music from the get-go?
Well, I wanted was to be an electrician.
Yeah.
You understand? So I did still get a shot. But I love music from very tender age. So I still want a trade in case music
don't work
so
out.
I have to balance, because I think them way there from young. I wanted was to take care of my family. My aim was to be the one in the family to take care of each other.
Start turn on the fortunes of the family.
That's some mistake. I always look out, no matter how things sting, people always call upon me. Cousin, sister, all over, uncle. So my aim was to be strong, that's me could help people.
Yeah.
And that's my aim.
So you say you had love for the music from a tender age though. When was it that you realized music apart from the electrical pursuits and music or something you really want to take on seriously?
Well, me used to live in a Spanish town, a place called Red Pan. We always, for our music, for our instrument at the time, and some pan we'll have to knock. We have a man where he man knock the pan and the next man enter. And the next man I play the bass with the mouth. But always a vibe. Them time that them used to call me Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah, my name.
Micheal.
Jamaica.
Yeah, no, so you have to the Michael come from
Micheal.
yeah.
But you know nobody never call it Jamaica.
Yeah,
That's all right.
Jamaica, yeah.
So Jamaica, them used to call me like Jamaics. So me used to sing first.
Oh, you're a singer.
Yeah. And Charlie Chaplin and them man, they used to live in the area, so we used to watch them. You know, me climb all a mango tree, I mind climb a coconut tree, if you look over in the dance hall, pan them and them.
Yeah.
So me really want.
You like that something there?
Yeah. One day, we get into the music, so me used to watch them and me used to go around with some little sound. Now and again, we get a little touch off of the mic and then have to move. So, from them age, I love music when we live in Spanish Town.
Yeah. So how the recording aspect? So you were working out on some sound systems and stuff.
Yeah. Me don't remember them names.
Yeah.
Them sound and I name them.
So that was giving you some practice for what would come.
Yes. That's when I leave from a little pan, knocking a pan. Anytime I hear a little sound I play,
Yeah.
I'm going to try sing if there is a mic and so and so.
Yeah, man. So how then did that now lead you into mainstream in a recording career?
Well, before I reached my recording career, as you know, Red Dragon, my brother, he started DJ at that time. Then me used to mostly do the writing. Yeah. Yeah, because me never really brave enough for attack big dance.
Yes.
So him and the man, me always push him.
He's older?
No.
Oh, you're the older one?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
But 1 year apart. Them man are bad, you know. I was 3 years to 4 years to shut out about 3 years. So you know it's a rough time.
Yeah,
so
man.
you have to move from relationship to relationship to survive.
Yeah.
So since we get big now, I understand the struggle at more lady.
Yeah.
So I just say Red Dragon used to be the man out there till him start. Then we moved from Spanish Town. Come live at Whitehall Avenue.
Okay.
Yes. When we moved from Spanish Town, we live at Whitehall Avenue. That from about 1981. So you used to have some little sound where you used to play for Whitehall, so my brother always out there. And me I push him. Because I know him voice strong at the time.
Yes.
Because maybe I never really sure myself. So I always push him and he used to DJ and small acts and him go all over the DJ. And I always say, yeah man, do that. And that's how we really start.
So you were writing for your brother?
Yes.
You were writing for anybody else at the time?
No, we just write for each other. If me I do a song, and put in
do
a
something
line,
and vice versa.
Yeah.
So when did you now decide, say, you're not so afraid no more and you're not so shy and you're going to take it hard?
I remember when me used to go, when I leave school, I go like downtown at Techniques.
Yeah.
Me just watch the record shop them. Which one day I could have been on a record. And my brother used to go RG and him do a song named I Am Commando, rougher than Rambo.
Yeah.
Rambo, him a fan Commando, him tough, and then him had another one called. Some girls nowadays, them a look man for use. Man for you, them a look man for you. Nah get nothing. But I don't know if you don't really
Yeah, we do that song.
Him did them two records.
Yeah.
So, I still behind him, I push him. Because I know if he make a break, me have a
It have a
chance.
benefit too. Yeah.
So, me used to go downtown, go watch him record them while them a sell and so. I remember I go to Techniques one time and I asked him if he have Red Dragon song.
Yeah.
Just to know if it's in the record shop.
Yeah.
And him said no. So me I tell him say Red Dragon and my brother. And I say, what? Your brother? Bring him come man. So I say, all right. When I go back home, I tell my brother about it. And I say, a man name is Riley, say more know you. Because him say you have a good voice. But he's a stubborn man, you know? So he never jump at it at the time. But he never stop. Push him till him say, you have a look for him. So sometime, in them time there, when we go through there, I walk where I walk. So me I walk from Whitehall I go RJ, that are near up stadium. So,
Yeah?
Yeah, man. I used to walking them. So we just walk and sing.
A bill of vibes.
Yeah, and we go there and then we hook up with Sanchez. Was me, Daddy Lizard, Sanchez, and Dragon.
Yeah.
But Dragon had the record out at the time. So him asked RJ for give it a run.
Yeah.
So them have an audition and we go to the audition. Man, road me out the audition.
What?
So, yo, Dragon, where you get that boy out of from? And the man them give me a rhythm, wicked.
Yeah. You care about the G.
Yeah. So, I said, John, style. And them throw me out.
Yeah.
Lizard going, them throw him out even faster.
Daddy Lizard.
Yeah. And Sanchez now.
Yeah.
I said, Sanchez must pass. Call them time the way I go dance.
Yeah, man.
And when Sanchez going, the man said, no, man, you can't.
Sanchez.
Yeah, man.
Great Sanchez.
Yeah, man. RJ said, yo. Who do you like for him say? Guy that can't have an interview.
Tell me, man.
No, man.
If you have to edit.
The man said, Jagan, them three man have to leave, you know. But them throw you out that thing, but we still never give up.
Yeah.
And back to now, when we reach downtown.
Yeah.
So at that me say now, we have to find somebody else. So somebody did really reach downtown now and check back on Mr. Riley.
Yeah.
Then him say, one day if we come at the studio, it would have be Channel 1.
Yeah.
That don't pan Maxi. So you know it's another walk again.
Yeah, so you walk from Whitehall, go down Maxine.
Yeah. But Dragon now, Trim Star did a DJ now walk and say my star, but we have a walk. See? So we start walk. Hey, one night time, you know, me I work at one place downtown.
Yeah.
And me now, when me I work, came pay bus here. But me just want to do something.
Can't respect
I
that.
don't want to stay idle and you know idleness bring. So me used to walk, me used to work at one place downtown where them do electrical and other things. So when me I go work at morning time now, me have to walk sometime. So when me I walk go town now, if a man see me, I reach half a tree. I say, where you go? Me say half a tree I go.
Yeah.
And you can't make a man who town I walk, because if a man catch me I go to crossroad now.
You say I got told.
No,
Crossroad.
crossroad. Me say crossroad me I go, man. I want to catch me.
I got told. I told you I go.
So, but them thing they just make me strong.
Billy,
as a
brother.
youth. Yeah,
Billy.
and when we go to Channel 1, we buck up an engineer named Soji.
Yeah.
Redman was there. Redman International label and Techniques label. When we go there, the first day we go there, Dragon say, him not vice for nobody until them vice him brother them. So we used to call the whole of our brother. Sanchez are my friend. Lizard, brother-in-law.
Family settings.
So we grew up in them time, like, I don't know, I don't like know where man live east and west.
Man
and
love.
all.
Family thing.
So in a way you say one, they always say all, and when Dragon say him not record until them record him youth them. That's how we get the chance. Then when we go in, them put on a rhythm, put me around them, I tell you everything I shake, man. But remember RJ throw me out. So
You don't want to throw it again.
Yeah, I say them not throw me out this time.
Yeah.
But when we reach there, the man they put on the beat, at least him did deal with the good. And we could have sit and go and listen while it play. And
All the vibes.
So me used to have all of my song them together. From me I go dance so me can choose which one could have fit.
Ah.
And I like say you go there and tell a man say, I want to go on the beat. Then no.
Anything did they have to just find something to put on
Them
him?
I work with. So if I go and I like them man, I know what
No way.
this
I
say,
tell
yeah, I
us.
want this,
That's
I
a
want
man.
that. And them time that you can't make no mistake.
Yeah, because you're going to mash up the man them.
Them not deal
Them
with
that.
mistake them time that.
Yeah.
That's why I tell my youth.
Real school.
Yeah, me say, yo, you have to practice. Because in them days, we'd have to practice. Because you can't make a mistake. And I remember when I just come up as an artist, and most of the singers them used to get opportunities. So when a DJ come now, you have to tough. The man put me around there and put on the rhythm go, dum, 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 Do. No. Big Batty Girl.
Big Batty Girl. Big Batty Girl.
Okay, I just sing Big Batty Girl. And when I start singing, I see the people in my dance and I get
Yeah.
mad. You understand?
Yeah.
So when I finish now, then Sanchez go around and sing. Sometimes I wonder why the look in your eye. And Lizard go in.
Yeah.
And then him do, happy fly out, happy fly out. Anything we say, we said happy fly out. But Courtney Melody did have a song on the beat at the time. So
Yeah.
them have a little thing where them say I'm going to put out the rhythm.
Yeah.
So you know me happy, right?
Have to be.
Guys, me ever see
Yeah.
my name
Your name on a record.
So them say, what your name? And I say, Flourgon. I say, what kind of name that, man? I say, yo. I'm look at name that when I work.
Yeah.
Because Mr. Man used to love dumpling. Every time you see me, I have a pound of flour.
Yeah.
What the truth? I tell you, it's in my back pocket. So I have a pound of flour, because I don't know when I have a buck up on. So
Yeah. Have something.
a tin of mackerel. Because them time I turn star, you know. You
Yeah.
know? So
Yeah, that's that.
I can afford a one mackerel here
Yeah.
and there. So I'm okay, and that's how we used to come up. So when them take it and them say I'm going to release it, I'm happy. Was really glad for Techniques,
yeah.
which is Mr. Riley, can give me the chance, and Soji especially,
Yeah.
him go hard to make sure say revise with him proper, and then them put them out.
So Big Batty Girl was the first recording.
Yes.
Release recording, because RJ did show you out.
Yeah,
That was the song you did sing up RJ?
No, you know.
No. You remember the song we did sing up RJ?
I don't really remember.
Oh, you don't remember?
I don't 100% remember, but I know I'm go hard.
Yeah, I did.
But them never give me a chance to say, sing two songs.
Oh, so I just
And
one
say,
and
come!
all.
Can you say you have a big shirt under the sleeve, big boss? And him just say, come man! And me I say, hold on, the man say, come! So you know, so I
Yeah, yeah. So what you know, Flour? So you were going by the name Jamaica. So when did that transition come about from Jamaica to Flourgon?
After me leave Spanish Town,
Oh, okay.
Whitehall Avenue.
Yeah.
Them time the people start see me I walk with my flower. All right. Yeah. Every time them to you, all right. One time gone, you know, when we moved, come live at Spanish Town. Come live at town from Spanish Town. I'm no light never in our place.
Yeah.
My mother get a little house in Just House.
Okay.
But never light.
No light in there.
We're moving early.
Oh.
Through political vibes, we'll have to run from Spanish Town. You understand? And then when my mother get the house, I so happy to come live back in Kingston. Because Spanish Town, which part we live, never nice. A place called Red Pan.
Red Pan.
Yeah, man. No water never did there. All of them things then. So you know, it's not nice. Now when rain fall, you have to wear a bag by your shoes. So I know hardship. But sometimes I don't like talk about it.
Yeah, man.
But we know it.
Yeah, man. We know them way there. So Big Batty Girl got road.
Yeah, man. When I'm going to the record shop now, I have to see my recording.
Yeah.
Because when Winston Riley record me, in people in my work at them shop, they never know me. So me say, I have to go downtown and look when it come out.
Yeah.
So when I go there and ask first, them say, them up on the press.
Okay.
So I go the next day and the other day and the other day till me say, a record and I look, me say Flourgon pan it. But them time they, I stamp them stamp on it. Like when you ever buy something and they put
Yeah,
it.
stamp.
So them just put my stamp on the Flourgon. Me say, young man, me have to buy about 3 of them there. All right. Them not giving on that record them time then.
Yeah, you have to buy your own copy.
Yeah, man, I buy 3 copy, man. I'll know me have my one of my house.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Me
Your
never
first
forget.
record.
Yeah. The one I buy. Me have a girl and me get her one. So I'm an idiot that time. Yeah, man, me say I have this.
Yeah.
At them time, you know, when record come out now, I start feel like a star. Because I'm like, no. First time when you come on a record, just for us know say you come on a record. Then now if you listen for company radio.
Yes.
But them never used to play Big Batty Girl on the radio.
Because of the contents of the
Yeah,
song.
because in them time, anything where you say shaky, them have a record jury. In them time, they say, yeah, pump it or dump it.
Pump it or dump
Yeah,
it.
man.
So then dump it.
Yeah, man, them fling a Big Batty Girl, man. Can't play on the radio.
Yeah.
But when them fling it to a car, when them come and them play the first line, Big Batty Girl, I'm here, woo! It like a some go, see, doom. Say them dash a big batty girl.
Yeah.
So me I say them shouldn't put it on the record, Joe. But anyway, it become a hit for
A
me,
big
like
song.
in England and all over. People start calling me and I say, boy, I go to England and hear your song. Because I don't like no way you can go on the internet and
I
know
see what you
song.
say, do.
Them time now when big batty girl sell #1, me don't know nothing.
You don't know nothing about it.
No, I don't know where you're going. And then from there now, Redman, me do We Run Things.
At the Redman International.
Yeah, me do We Run Things.
So Rerun Things was a follow-up to Big Batty Girl.
Yeah, man. We run things,
Things
things
that
that
run
run
we.
we. Yeah, but me tell you about that song. You see, me used to sing that song from me there, Spanish Town.
Yeah?
Because I one of my first song when I write.
Okay.
Because we used to in our group and go like we bad, so we used to say, I will run things. You know, me have
Yeah.
a cousin named Pepper. And me used to DJ all up at Jigzil up there, so, you know, Jibzil, you know.
Yeah.
Brampton Hill, all over them places when I start with a set named Rambo.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? And so I get my training after me leave Spanish Town before me start record.
Yeah.
So when I start record now, I start feel good in myself, you know, self-confidence up. And from there, then We Run Things now. Redman was a good producer. He always when him love a song, him say, this half you got #1. I
Yeah.
say, what you say? The man said, this half you got #1, because he never did that when me a record it. I'll just come and here. Because most, sometime in them time, enough of them producers, like, them not there at the studio, but them confident, them engineer.
Them engineer will deal with it and then
So
pass it
when
if
the
anything.
engineer make it now, them come listen and if them want continue with it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So the man said, most go one time the Redman full of jewel, you know.
Yeah.
Because I never even know him, you know.
Yeah.
I never know him when I go record, and then I meet him and carry the song was Stone Love. Time Stone Love used to play at Dumfries Road, I think, in New Kingston.
Oh, okay.
So, put it on and I get too far,
Forward.
I get mad.
Yeah.
Because We Run Things now, when that come out, it just catch on.
Quick and fast.
Yeah, man.
That one and I forgot you on a jewelry.
No, the people them doesn't know, for them hear the hook.
Yeah.
Them just say, we
Catch
run
it.
things.
Things not run
And that
away.
me used to use and get my big power. Saying so me have to hold it, because when I go dance, I can't let go that yet, you know.
Yeah.
I have to hold it till about 1 o'clock. Let go
party
We Run
full
Things
up.
and the whole place mash up.
Yeah.
But that We Run Things, you know, it do me a whole heap of good and it do me a whole heap of bad.
Yeah.
Because after me become very popular now, I start to bounce, me have enough
Yeah.
#1 song now, song on the
Bounce.
charts. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Whole time dancing,
Then come back again.
And then me have 1 Foot Skank and then Love Me Love Bad. All of them songs.
Yeah, with Jan
come up.
Sanchez.
Yeah. So We Run Things now, after I come out and it reached #1. Can me remember clearly when it got #1. I mean, there women and like it did reach #2 and I said, boy, I have to listen next
Yeah.
week. I mean, everything gone off of the chart now. I mean, I hear me song. I say,
Yeah.
yeah, I hit. I mean, #1. Plap, plap, because at the intro like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, me get sweet, man.
Yeah.
And one of the nicest moment that was for me. For no say me get a #1 song. Because I don't like nowadays where a man can put out have a song and it not release and him say it a #1.
Yeah.
Them time they
You
song
have to reach,
like
yeah.
the sales have to up and all of them things. And I like now, can me hear man same have song when I release and it a #1.
Yeah.
Me saw it a #1 and I not release. But I don't want to say that.
But have a pre-release #1 Flourgon. We Run Things, come out and run the place.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Doors
We run-
started opening up.
Yeah, man. We want things come out. Me not start wear some big chain, man, and get a whole heap of girl and them thing, man.
From a big batty girl
Yeah,
there.
man. Girl, I run with them, man. Me have to run with from me yard.
Yeah.
We want me get famous.
Yeah.
And anyway, we go until there was a political thing coming on, I think about 88 yeah. Mr. Siago him put We Run Things for him campaign. See?
See.
Yeah. So the man put We Run Things for him campaign, man.
So you never link your axe and
Nah,
say,
man. I'm not linking any of them things. Me have to go get make you know where I go on. So which part me live now was on his
PNP era.
PMP here.
That a Whitehall.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
So the man them start to Flourgon a labor right. Alright. It's when them start to me a labor right now.
Yeah.
I try,
Explain to them.
yes, and now man of them just a use it on them campaign. So me now, say me have to go see Mr. Siago to make him take this
R5 thing.
half-time thing. So can benefit for me. So me say, alright,
Yeah.
brave up. Because you know, me a youth and never face them big man there. So I say I have to face him because the pressure come down.
Yeah.
You know, it's a closing for my family, them start have problem. Some producers, I say them not produce me.
Because you're labor.
Yeah, me a labor right. You understand?
Ah, boy.
Me used to all go down as Skengdan with Fatis.
But you can't go to aspect that again. You're labor, right, brother?
So Fatis now, I say, boy, Flour. Me
That
can't
a
travel with
Burrell?
you. Yeah. Man, I say, Flour, God, me not travel with you again. You know, 'cause I say, King, that don't have nothing to do with me. So I say, all right. If you see my musical career, I'm alive at the time.
Yes, can make I imagine.
Yeah, so I contact a couple people. You know them carry me around thing. Them say, never see him. So all right, me get myself together. Me and my brethren, my friend Lizard.
Ah, Daddy Lizard.
Yeah, because Lizard live in our labor right here right now. So I'm all right. You understand?
Yeah.
Lizard all right, because him live at Park Lane.
Yeah, man, Parkland, yeah.
So me have to end up start, go to them side now.
Sure.
Because which part me there, people are saying me this.
It's a get a style.
Yeah, but anyway now, we go up there and we go check it. I see, them say my call. See, come here you, them time they still. When I see Mr. Siaga come, I say everybody are running. Mr. Siaga! Ah! And people are running out. Them time the bombs are young, you know.
Yeah.
I run too, you know. Sure. Babsy, you know, I love you. But anyway, you know, when I'm coming in, I'm going to the meeting and I say, Mr. Siago, yeah, use my song. First of all, I'm going, I say, what, me artist? I say, what is one? I don't know if I feel comfortable or not, but when I'm saying artist, I start trouble now.
Oh, yeah, dribble.
I get nervous, man.
Oh, I get nervous.
So I say, what's up? And I say, when Mr. Siago, the song where I use, we run things. People, I deal with me away and I ask you, please, if you can just take it off of the cap. You know? The man said, no, I can't take it off. So I said, why?
I'm right.
No.
We do what I think about it.
But I say, boy, if him take it off, it will look away upon the party and thing. And I say, but Mr. Siago, it will look away upon the party, but this can't take my life. And me are the only little breadwinner in my little circle. So, you know, I never take it off. So him said to me, so why? Where happened? And me will tell you when we get in real trouble now. When him said that to me, I say, all right, we'll go to Skateland. It was me, Sanchez, Red Dragon, and Lizard. We go Skateland one day, one evening, you know, because you know we are the upcoming artists, so we are stepping bossy. So when I go in, a boy chew some liquor pan Lizard and Sanchez. Because of them the day the first day, I say, see the labor right there, man. Push him. I wait up the man. And you know, we try fight, but we couldn't win the fight. You understand? So we have to flash. So that was the main reason. So when me tell him that now, the man I say, what? What them do? This man artist. You understand? Man called Jingles. I said, Jingles. My artists them come out there. I don't know if him did that do it for shield, but it never work as a shield. My artists them come out there and them throw the cap on my artists them and I say, oh, and I say, Flourgon and Sanchez and Lizard. The man I say, hey, I never know and where and I saw me get real mix up now.
Got me feel mixed up a bit there.
So the people say, I'm really about this.
Yeah.
So now, me and Ninja Man used to clash.
Yeah.
So him start use that against me. Louise, I think, what's her name? Miss Louise.
So Louise here and burner.
Yeah, man. She done manage Ninja at the time. So them take the ride now. mash me up all of the show them where the PMP them used to keep. And take me off of the whole of them. And when I time I did to get all of the contract with Atlantic.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Them campaign and mash me up. Put out all on paper so me have AIDS in my paper and them something.
Yeah.
I'm going to go through all of them things. Then when I time now, them things they make me stop sing. Me just say, them take away my DJ of the year too. Because the year me that go for DJ of the year was me and Ninja, man. But me have more number one than
Ninja.
the time. So I chose Louis, I'm manager now, and Howard, I go and them a friend, and them campaign. We'd go and Sting, and we'd go clash, and then we'd go. Because I look a bad one like
You and Ninja clash at Sting?
Yeah, man.
Which year was that?
88, man.
How win?
Why, it's a back, boy, me go tell you what.
Tell me.
Them say Ninja way.
Yeah, what you would say?
But it wasn't a fair fight.
Yeah.
Because Louise and her friend them plug out the mic.
Now Jam World there. A Jam World see there keep at the time. Stadium the time.
One of the biggest clash that, you know.
Yeah.
Because I say, leave him to me.
Yeah.
Because he did a clash. Like imagine, like him was saying, I take on me and my brother together. I say, no. Leave the whatever to me.
Yeah.
Because you know when you're in a handgun, them use that against me and take on my DJ for the year and give it to Admiral Bailey. That did really tear me up. Because I win DJ of the year Canada.
Yeah.
I win it in New York. I mean, they even go for me award. Because the way I say upset, me just say, stop sing. So I never done. I just stop sing now and say me start help people write and help people produce and all of them. But
all of them things that come out of the fact, say, your song was used without your permission for an election campaign.
Yeah, we run things. And
even back, when you try to fix it,
it get worse. And I can't explain. Because them time they didn't have no media like now when we could go up and say, people, wait, me have to just run a man to, yo, see the labor right there. Wicked. And I never grew up in an era like that.
Yeah.
So I never have no fence for hide behind. But
you can't hide a white talk.
So that we run things there.
Yeah.
It worked both ways. And see it
come back again.
Come be a blessing to me. Another hard fight again. And the fight him harder now.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you why it's harder now. You see, after this case, people start talking about some money where them say, me win.
Because my story still what talk to me.
Me don't know what them talk about.
Yeah.
And if we could have talked the figure, me attack it.
So is there legal implications?
Yes.
Okay.
But the greatest thing for know is I fight the giant them, I'm going to win.
Yeah.
And I feel good in myself for know say I win. Because one of the time when the case gets shaking, remember me praying. I never pray for no money. Well, you know a while come money, don't?
After.
But I never pray for no money. I say, God, I want to win this. For prove say, when a man use your thing, you have to stand up for your right. Because some of the bashing when I get in this case here, surprise me because I get bashing from people at Jamaica. When I check say, enough people would have backed me.
Support
Yeah.
the cause.
People them talk some wicked thing about me.
Because people say, them not seeing that now in the song when Miley really use and some things.
Yeah, because people attack when them don't know, them not understand infringements.
People also, because I see comments where say, Flourgon, many of Flourgon songs them are the same melody of other songs. It's just the words them change, are the same flow, the same everything. So Flourgon for one, so Miley and Flourgon build a career, basically a pirate people things.
People will say all type of thing.
Yeah.
People, but in a music, most time everybody do a music. You always use a melody. Where you hear already. Either from one of them look stories there. But when you're going to use a melody and the word now, you've gone over the bridge. You understand? When you're going to use the melody and the words and you don't give people them rights. Because if a person sing a song and give you rights, you're good.
Yeah.
So you're going to collect your little royalties and you're all right. But when people are going to say no, And I tell you all type of things. Yeah, I'm go through some wicked things, people talk some wicked things against me. You know. Some say me a crackhead. Some say me, them know me. Some say me a thief, the poor little white girl. And all of them things there. But watch out now. If you put out a song and use for them thing and them stop it, them wouldn't even give you a chance to make money.
Sure.
Them stop it, them say, take it down. So if me see people use my thing and me say, me can fight and win. Me can't do it. Look how much people are fighting now.
Yeah.
They must say, yes, Flourgon, because Flourgon do it, so we can do it. And you have to determine, and me I tell you, King, I know nothing easy. Because first of all, when me see the 300 million go, me nearly drop down. Because me never have nothing to do with that. That are the liar, them when they put up that. So me say 300
So there was no discussion with you before that figure was
No, them just
arrived
take
at?
the case and them say them are going to do this and that and that. And then when me see it, I send it to my phone. And them say, watch what will happen tomorrow. And then me see it on the radio. Be a taxi man pass me out. Rage! Blah!
Rage!
All right. This mash up the whole of my family. Yeah, and sometimes when I talk them things, come in me have to talk one day. This mash up the whole of my family.
Yeah. How so?
Everybody now say what they want, man.
Money.
When my son say want a Lamborghini, me dem know him so.
Say what, what?
Them me not tell you because
I laugh again. You want a what?
Lamborghini. I want him to again. One of the most dearest.
Yeah, man, it's a vehicle, man.
And so
Everybody want money now, Flour.
I can't live in peace.
Based on some of the reports that were in the public domain, is that you were also receiving threats?
No.
No.
I will never lie on that.
And attempts at extortion?
No. You know people as a beg. I don't really call them thing the extortion because no man don't really force nothing for me. You understand? You know say the begging become outrageous.
Turn up. That man a big Lamborghini.
Alright. You can imagine. You wake up in the morning. You hear a man shouting. Yo, me DJ! You're the greatest!
I see Yaga.
And sometimes it's nice when you come with a jar with a friend or a virgin. And at the end of the conversation, you might say, boy.
Man, look at him.
Everybody. You don't feel nice. No matter how kind he is, because me sing say, I share every nickel and every dime. I love share. If anybody will know me, I love share. But it's gone. So I have to start staying at one area.
Yeah.
Where you know I can't balance myself just so I everyone go. Me remember one time I going at the bank. I do like a transaction and so I straighten up me US.
Yeah.
I mean at the bank and me at the line and we just see everybody look for me. So I say, what is going on, man? I wonder if this bank can get robbed or something. I run on the screen so I get $300 million in it. One big TV in the bank. Flourgon received $300 million US.
How much billions is that, Jamaica?
Them say 30 billion. So this not nice.
Yeah.
And you know me, I have to go live with this for the rest of my life, don't?
Yeah, but
Because, and again, but they even talk about it. Kind of make no sense me tell nobody say so again.
But on a so you go.
Nothing near.
I believe it, man.
So you must believe it. You didn't say helicopter that drop me. Alright. Tell them me have so much money. Me can't walk, I fly, me have a helicopter have to drop me on the field and I jump out like chump. See, not go so man, but I still feel proud and I feel good for know say I win. Because I know nothing easy.
Yeah. So the figure that you got though, I know you say you can't state it for because of legal reasons. But was it something that you within yourself was satisfied with?
It's a very hard question that for answer. You see, Me that satisfied with just the win. But me don't want to say it and it look like me ungrateful. You understand? But we did want to make sure I'm comfortable. And I could make my friends them comfortable and my family. But it can't happen.
Yeah.
Me still have to work hard too.
Yeah.
And maybe my harder. But me give thanks for my lawyers them, because I know them have a hard fight. Because I know anybody could have fight them people. Because I go through the courts and I see everything and I see really hard to go up against them people. Because my lawyer is a really great lawyer and his name Willie Gary. Because you know him is a man.
Yeah.
Him fight some of the biggest cases them and when you see him shaking me and say, boy, Flourgon. Statute of limitation too.
Okay.
That was the main thing.
Stumbling block.
Yes, because the case started too late after the sales of the song. Because I think we can talk this song.
Yes.
Because the first 3 years of the song, we don't get nothing from that. So after 3 years now, we get from there. And you know, the first sales of a song are in the first 3 years.
I got to do it, I got utter.
Yeah, so when it cool down now, that's something we get from. But I give thanks to the fight when them fight for even. That's why when I go to the court and I hear where them said them go offer me, the first offer.
Monkey money.
Monkey, nothing monkey no want the money there.
Can't buy no flour.
But the man them great and I give thanks and I encourage everybody who hear people that use them things, fight for it.
Protect your thing and fight for.
Because now, when a man ever use things from Jamaica, I'm over say them people
Think
they
twice.
love so, you know. See the one Flourgon and them friend them. Wanna straighten out them thing.
Yeah.
And again, I want people to understand, if you hear 300 million, you can't get where the song sell.
True. That the song that sell $300 million. Yeah?
You understand? So I don't even know why the liar them they didn't put me in that. But now me night, me have to just live with it. And
That song they put you through whole heap though, flour.
what?
Right now things are on you.
I tell you, man, problem, man.
Yeah.
But anyway,
but it's a
still
blessing and a curse, I suppose.
You may just call it overall blessing. Because I never look on the side where them say call curse.
Yeah.
Because a blessing me deal with and love. And I'm really happy for know say anytime a man go against them people, I'm going to say, yes, Flourgon win. So I could do it. Can I see people
Point of reference, yeah, because JC and Beyonce.
Yeah, I wish them well. I know them are going to get enough more money than me.
Yeah.
I mean, I have no problem. But just want to know, say, I do what I have to do. And people, if you know, say, if you fight for your thing, and some of them producers will love carry people things go sell all about. They have to stop it.
They have to stop it for you, man.
Yeah, man, and do the business the right way and make everybody all right.
Yeah.
Because a man just get your tune and just sell it, so. Bloom.
Yeah.
And you don't know where it going.
True.
But I love Flourgon.
The big song, we run things. Big a piece of it,
We run things not run way. Anything we done, it have it done properly. Tell them, love up the girls and the girls them love we. Me sing it my way all the
Yeah,
time.
what do you think, man?
But again, no this little youth by the name of Aston. Treating girl too much like she like, sure, pull up, man. Sure, Aston.
Aston.
Him used to treat him girl too soft.
Yeah.
You see that song there now?
Yeah.
It just happen. And I like something when I say I go sit down and pen, right? It just happen. I just go where I live. And I say, Aston, do when I deal with their way, man. I'm treat her too nice, I just start dealing with my way and bad him up. And that's how the song come about.
Yeah.
But I never know it now reaches. So. But the hook was so powerful.
Yeah, man.
The hook.
Catchy, man.
Yeah, man. So in time, a man do a song. If it have a good hook, it will go hit.
Yeah.
The hook.
Yeah,
Man. Because when a man say me run things, you feel good, you know.
That's true.
If you're a human again, say, remember say me run things, you know.
Yeah.
She say, you run these things.
Yeah.
Cut. As on a life poster, you could tell a woman say, you run things, them things
They
then I
must,
go
they
on.
must spend their own money with the flour.
I may tell her, boy.
Yeah,
man.
Yeah, it's different. But despite, you know, all the press around the situation and the lawsuit and stuff, it has not been all bad because doors have been reopened,
Yeah, man,
so
yeah,
to
man.
speak.
Yeah, man, door is open. So, let's give thanks.
So shows coming,
Yeah, man, special gone up to man.
special gone up again.
Although me not pressure nobody
You
from
not
the
pressure
beginning.
nobody.
So I stay
Yeah.
But honestly, I really give thanks for the win and for all that it brings.
Yes.
Because in everything, you go have ups and you have down, left, right, good, bad. So I give praise and I'm satisfied, and I just love for no say, I fight and win the fight.
And the victory was not only for Flourgon, but for Jamaica's music.
That.
It's important.
Yeah, very, very important,
important.
man. Because every time I'm going to fight him, I say, hey, remember, say Flourgon win some money, so give me thing, you know.
Yeah.
Because up to with the JC thing, me see them mention my name and them I say, yeah, Flourgon fight the fight, you know. So I fight the fight, you know. And I love that. I love when my name come with. Because I don't want my name come with no evil. I don't want my name come with no bad. I say, my name go viral.
Yeah.
I never do nothing bad.
Yeah.
Because most people go viral, they have to do some really nasty and some bad things.
Yeah.
So I give thanks for no say, I go viral for do the right thing for myself and Jamaica music.
For the legacy.
Yeah, man. And my friend them really happy for me too.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Some of my girlfriend them from long time. But them it's sweet. I say me never know say so much woman me do now. Everybody come back, you know.
Yeah.
Micheal! You know the girl them want your things. Them not call the Flourgon, you know.
Micheal.
Micheal! Remember some me used to talk, you know? Yeah.
Yeah.
So, in return, I just show love.
Yes.
I have to make some people know what it is. I say, babes, you don't know me, I have a friend from over the years. And if I can help you with that thing, I can help you.
Yeah.
But I know nothing.
And also on car business.
No. I don't like car business.
Yeah.
Bring something to me.
And
I
you
can
can do
look
a
into
thing.
it and say, yeah, man, that sounds like it can help you along the way, so maybe try a thing.
Yeah. Makes sense.
That's how we live.
So what you do? Big Batty girl leading to we run things. Yeah? And even though we run things, kind of make a run of some things.
Yeah. I run over
I
something.
run over some things. People knew who Flourgon was.
Yeah,
Yeah?
man.
Mainstream knew Flourgon.
Yeah.
Yes. At that point in time, were you traveling? Were you touring yet?
Yeah, man.
Where was the first place you visited to perform?
The first place I visit overseas to perform was Canada. With my brother, when him sing Fresh. And
Yeah.
them time there, we had the back it.
The first time you left Jamaica to perform was in Canada.
Yeah, man.
What was that like?
Well, we're Dragon are the king.
Yeah.
Right? Because him sing Fresh and me and Lizard are the harmony. Because him say, all who not be it from man, and we say, Fresh! So when the promoter come and say, boy, him want Red Dragon
Yeah.
for come perform in Canada, I was there with Lizard and he made the triary and me I say, at the triary, and so I
Yes.
say, you know what I say, Red Dragon was a group. So, my brother said, boy, John, you know, I want to go still, you know, but I want to carry me, but if the man don't want to come in, you know, I go cut, you know.
Yeah.
So I said, no, man, I'm going to talk to you because one time there, you know, I well want to go foreign.
Yeah.
Seeing as a little young youth. So when we come through everything now and him decide, man, because them giving the money, I don't get no advance, you know.
Yeah.
Them going to say, Dragon and the I2s. That me and this
I
come.
too.
I'm not sure, I2.
Yeah, it's a cheat.
Them I say Dragon and the I2s, all right, don't work with them. So, the producer, no, the promoter say, we're good to go. So Dragon say, come here.
Yeah.
So, put him in Jerry curl them time there, you know. Them time them Jerry are dripping, you know. I remember that time there. Yeah, I'm put him in Jerry are dripping.
Yeah.
So we fly out and we go Canada and the show was good.
Yeah.
Because when we reached there now, the man said, okay, I'm going to go shopping. Because we never have nothing them time there, because them time they just sing my song. Big Batty Girl and them song there. Now I make nothing there. So the man said, I carry go shopping. Man carry me in a store, a basic shirt and them thing them seeing. So the man said, when you can't take up anything about member, say, a Dragon never pay for it. And Dragon said, leave that store.
Yeah.
I know where the store there.
Dragon down, we could pressure the thing.
I tell you, say, that big yellow shirt me get for about $8. Man, wicked. The man said, put on the yellow shirt, man. You put on one, and Lizard put on one.
Yeah.
And me put on the red.
The red jacket.
Yeah, me had the fire on and the flame. And the boy Lizard didn't come, me start getting mad now. I said, nah, man, and Lizard, I said, easy no, man. You know, dragon stay now, you're not getting no shot. So, that changed me now. That me should have make you know. So when I go to Canada, I go through and see what I can achieve if
you put in the work.
I put in the work, and my brother Dragon say, go do your thing and stop depending on me.
Yeah.
And I said, that brother, you one wicked boy when he tell me that, because when he tell me vex, you know.
Yeah.
See it? Because when I look at the big yellow shirt that I have on, you know, I say, I don't like that shirt, but I tell you, when I come back from Canada with about 100 Canadian. That's what I get.
Yeah.
But my Jerry up. So
yeah, still have a yellow shirt.
So I come back now, I say, yo, I have to make sure I say, I do my thing myself. So I thank my brother.
So it was a hard lesson.
Yeah, man, the man say, yeah, hear me. So I say, yo, I not nothing with them, I not go on him, you know. I go up on my own. And I saw me go up on my own and start do all of my song them. And start putting in my work till I pass him.
Yeah.
Till I me come the leader, Sanchez. They run me and me have Sanchez run me till all Bujo Bantan them come. And me till I Bujo Bantan them.
Yeah.
Then I me start Bujo Bantan when people are talking about and me carry him down a German. Kind of live a Whitehall. He used to DJ. Yeah. He used to DJ for my son named Sweet Love.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're
man.
a son?
Yeah.
So they build a son?
Yeah, man. Me have a son named Sweet Love, man. And Bujo Bantan, I'm a little top artist. Terry Ganzi and all of them, but Bujo Bantan, him live in a, which part me live at the same year.
Yeah, man.
So you know me have a special love for him when we go. You understand? And me I say, Bujo, do this and do that and I carry him go to Park Lane too. And I done this so him really get him confidence. So yeah, man. And when I carry him go to Germany say, I want an apprentice.
Donovan German say, I want an apprentice.
I remember in my office, and I said, listen to you here. And me and Lizard did go down there. Them time there, I think me just come from Panama or one of them time there.
Yeah.
And I go down there. Because I have him around me and I know talent when I hear it. You know. When I see it and when I hear it. And from me hear him and I know him memory good. Him not for write nothing, him just sing it and remember it all 1, 2, 3 months after.
Yeah.
So I know him will have it. And him go dance, man, not get no forward and him ball, he live in the water, man.
The great Gaga, man.
Yeah, man. So John, what the people are working star. And me I say, ease yourself, man.
Yeah.
Ease yourself, man. You get forward till you're afraid of forward. Because you're the best one.
Yeah. Best one indeed.
But I couldn't tell him the rest of them here. You understand? I couldn't tell him that the rest of them here. I say, you are the best one in the general.
Yeah.
So do your thing, man. Buju Banton used to come wake me almost every morning. Wow, go on, Flower. Ready for touch the road, I'm going to eat breakfast, I'm going and I'm going east, I'm going west side. Drive my car and since him get big now, I don't really see him regular, but the love...
But no good though.
Yeah, man, I'm going to check him and him show me enough love. Then him...
Okay.
I mean, I'm first boss, you know.
Yeah.
And me give him the first payment.
Yeah.
As an artist, I can't go and dance and the man not pay him and me pay him. I pay him and tell him so the man pay him.
Yeah.
You want him feel big. Yeah, man, and I live to see him, I love him.
Legendary.
I love him with every bone. I hope him listen.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Me hope so.
Yeah, man. As you know, I never tell him that in straight,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
I tell you, I love him, man, and when him drop in trouble, me feel away, but
Naturally.
I see him come and him rise.
Him rise above all of that.
Yo. Buju Banton, General, man. Sanchez now. I love that one they come like me.
Father Jackson?
Yeah, man. We love him. We love one another, man. And I know Sanchez is that man that love me too. We work hard, we work together, we work hard with the whole heap of music. I just don't know everybody get big. Some guy.
Naturally. But the love is there.
Yeah, man, we go down in the yard, just sit down, man, up in the mountain and beat a one chalice kind of
That's the rock.
Yeah, man, but love, man, and what me that like to see, the whole I will link up back. So it easy and it hard. All right. a long time, me no see myself, which is Flourgon, Sanchez, Lizard, and Buju Banton. And even Terry Gansi, because he was like the last.
Yeah. The outlaw.
We not link up and sit down
Make
and
a
eat
link,
a
man.
fish.
Me come video, man.
What is going to happen?
But a link,
It have
man.
to
The
happen,
day,
man.
man. See camera there, man.
Yeah, man, it have to happen, man. I'm
Ready.
going to try to make the link. I'm going to try my best to make the link.
Yeah.
I mean, know the world and I love to see that.
That
Because
would
we
be
have
great,
so
man.
much things to talk about.
So much history.
Yeah, man.
And then so much more history can be created, innit?
Remember, I can't Buju Banton go to country, you know? Pan my yacht, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, one little yacht, you know?
Yeah.
And the man chuck off in the water and can't swim, you know? I said, I'm mad, man, go to and chuck off and I say, Banton!
Yeah.
I have a chew a thing and dry him out. You must remember that. Negril.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Buju Banton, man, I'm a bonafide, man. Every time I go around him,
Yeah.
I have to laugh. So when I go around him, I say, Buju Banton, I don't want a new Buju Banton.
Yes.
I'm not used to this. You see, the
old
long time
Buju.
one we will laugh
Yeah.
and talk as a man, I love the joke. And when we go there, we just laugh.
Yeah.
That's so we live. Buju Banton, Flourgon, respect you all the way.
Speaking about Sanchez, what are you more outside of we run things and Big Batty Gal and Bounce and them song there is the combination with you and Sanchez? Yeah?
Enough.
How that song they came about?
Well, we used to sing it at dance.
Okay.
And we used
And
to
I just
sing,
put it
got
on
to
Tell you.
Because he's a man who can sing everything. You know? And him switch it film way and sing it in a film melody and film like a style. So we used to DJ upon it when we did
Love me,
dance.
love, love,
So we just go right
yeah.
at the studio
And do it.
we just do it. I think at Dave Kelly them did
Oh, the
play
great
the
Dave.
rhythm. Yeah, I think at man and brother, one of the two of them, they play the beat.
Yeah.
And we do it for a little dread at the first tune him produced at the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Give me your piece right now.
I was, you know me love her bad. Love me love her bad. Cho. Bad. Because when I was down and things was low and sufferation was all I know.
Hold on. She never let. No, they got me a star the show.
Yeah, man.
Bad
Them song-
thing. Classic.
Yeah, man. Them song the people know them back to back. I love that. And you know me love, anywhere I go, people show me so much love.
Yes.
No matter how you see the crowd when Flourgon come, them listen to me. If them they even want to jump away, them listen.
Yes.
And them show me respect. And me sing with the best of my ability.
Yeah.
And me thank just I don't lose my voice. Me still as strong, as powerful
Yeah.
as it used to be. Me happy.
One next one, a big song about.
Yeah, man, the jammings we do that for.
Yeah.
And also the great Bobby Digital.
Yes.
Yeah, man, enough respect to Bobby. I'm one of the man who sing one of the first songs for
To
Bobby
Bobby.
Digital.
Yeah. Which song was that?
As I say, jump, spread out and shape bottom, girl, jump, spread out and if a girl bounce her next girl, no response, she can't. Yeah, that was it. And
Yeah.
then, do,
Yeah.
and then Shabba come and say, all mama, man, duck!
Yeah. And you have
Social
combination.
distance, so they're not coming up.
Yeah, combination with Sanchez, Shabba, Buju, Red Dragon, Daddy Lizard,
Very sad.
Berries. Yeah?
Yeah.
Which song that? I'm not familiar with that one there.
I love Giant name.
I love Ja. Give me a
And
piece
then
of
you
that.
pick up in your heart, and no. I love Jah, and then me say,
Yeah, so
if you
that's
get
what-
up, and I said, no,
Yeah.
fight every day, then I say again, prayers unto the devil, I say, yeah, man.
I never know say you
Yeah,
sing
man,
that flower.
So, where you don't hear about it that way? No, we coming on
Yeah?
this style. Yeah, man. Me and Barry sing that, and it was on him album and nominated for Grammy.
Yeah.
He said me the one man when the Grammy, he said, man, Chano style. Barry again, another man.
That one.
When me respect
Yeah.
and him show me so much love and respect.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Flower, I'm going to be honest with you. The first time I know Flourgon, I'm on my TV. Now, Alaska commercial.
And Mr. Chin supposed to hold me, see me.
And that would have come out because you did a song, Alaska.
Yeah, man, me do a song, so one pack of food drink last cup. It make all the picking them chunks, sir. Now the food drink come in 6 flavor, like that. And
Yeah, so that is how the last calling come about. for
yeah,
the song.
after I start play, it was a slight Arabic them did do it, you know.
Yeah.
Taxi label. And I never really love it, and I said, sing it, man. I'm sing it, and then we're going to do some advertisement for Lasco. The Lasco advertisement, it like a music.
Every day you see that on TV.
Chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. Man, you want to check out the flavor, creamy and rich. Yeah, man, we go on a stage and sing that, man. Fire!
Yeah. So, the catalog really and truly bigger than many people would think.
Yeah.
And
So right now, all my brother catalog.
Yes.
In dead family get them.
Red Dragon. So you just
I'm
set
singing
them.
song them all the time. Because we usually do that before him even pass.
Yeah.
Him sing my song, me sing. When me ready, me sing all Sanchez song, you know.
Yeah.
Buju Banton and everything, you know. So when me I do a concert, you can
Everybody
hear,
again.
you hear a Buju Banton, Flourgon, Sanchez, all a Lizard,
Red Dragon.
everything. We just sing one another song. Like
Yeah.
me that take one from
Yeah,
each,
man.
each
Understand. But no, it's probably still fresh for you still. But how did your brother die?
Well, him diabetic, you know.
Diabetic.
And he's a man, he not take no medication, he just believe say, him alright.
Yeah.
That's why call them say me diabetic too, you know.
Them say, are you?
Yeah, not, me not have a big bag of sugar, just a little. So me have to just make sure say,
You balance it thing.
yeah, me ease off enough of the sweets and the starch and thing. I mean, alright, what day I say me eat pure vegetable and everything gone, all my belly, but me get too mad.
You say belly God.
Yeah, man. Girl, them say I'm sexy, man. But I couldn't hold it.
Where's your could hold it?
I have a little piece of chicken here and there and I want
Yeah.
fish. I mean,
Yeah, just balance it out, man.
yeah.
Just
I
balance
mean,
it
go
out.
too deep, because when them tell me, say, I'm diabetic, I'm frightened, you know. I say, what? And man, I say, eat beer bush, drink beer sauce.
Yeah.
But they want give me some sauce, nearly kill me. His name Chris. I give me the sauce when I'm sweet and well bitter like the man.
But are the right way that to drink it seriously?
Yeah,
Flour,
but the man boil too much. Yo, the man mash me up, man. Me say the man say man clean me out, man.
Yeah.
The man clean me out, man. With the sauce, me I believe that. But me good and me happy and me give thanks my family, all right.
Yes.
I have a few little itches here and there, but we know if we deal with that because nothing never come plain and straight.
Yeah.
The road always rocky.
Yeah.
But I give thanks to my community. The people them show me enough love, me show them twice.
Yes.
And you know, I want enough little things for the youth. Them all this coming school, back to school, me I try keep something nice.
Look a
with them.
charity something.
Yeah, man, because I know the best thing I can feed people with, feed them brain.
Yeah.
So me I try get some book, pencils, anything I can get some computers. And make sure I say the youth them in my local community. So some of my artist friends them I come check on out.
Yeah.
Because I know the one them were financially good. You know them?
You know the flower?
Yeah, man. Because them know me too, you know.
Yeah.
So me I look forward for that. For the next school opening back.
Yeah.
I want to do that and I want to do it good.
All right.
So me I go check our Lasco too.
Do that, car. You know, so they want you to last
Yeah, man. Because I know them have them one.
Yeah. Well.
Mr. Chin, if you want to see it, somebody going to see it. Me I come check you. Bonafide. Because me youths, them in need.
You have many collaborations in the catalog, yeah? And you'd have worked with huge names. You got Berries, Bojo, the works, yeah? And there was the feud between you and Ninja. Yeah, Ninja good, sir?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Ninja, man, I'm a brethren, man.
Yeah.
But I'm just sorry for no, say. The position where I'm in now, you know? And I Ninja, that's how I go.
Yeah.
That's how I go.
Is there, because we know you're still in the studio, you're still, every time I call you, you're there in the studio.
Yeah, man, me I fix the album now.
Yeah?
Me I get it to finish up now. It called Enemies More and name it.
Enemies.
Yeah. But more this album I want to make. More if a man put in my album I go country, it can play right through and him not have to skip this song.
You want
Because I
everything
them
to
much
connect.
in. Yeah, so me I try set it. I know it take me a long while now me I do it. But it better if it take a long time and do something.
Personal project, are you working with somebody?
More likely personal, but me I one and few people where
Okay.
I add into. And
Yeah.
me have some artists where me I think of
Cool.
tonight.
Of all, yeah, as I said, you have worked with many artists, big name artists. Is there any artist in the business where you never work with, where you love to do a song with?
I only, they were me never work with yet
Yeah, man.
still, but me I think international.
Yeah. So nobody know out there you want to do a song with Flourgon, man.
Yeah, but me want to go international because I have a whole heap with people here already.
Yeah.
So me that like, when I think of most now, me that like international, some international.
So anybody in particular out there on the international scene where?
Me that like do a song with Miley.
No one understand Miley.
You then probably run things.
And me I love do a song, really, just jokingly.
Yeah.
Me I like do a song with like Rihanna.
Rihanna.
Yeah.
Big league.
Yeah, man, and that's something me that love go.
Yeah.
And my album was nice. It's going to be a different Flourgon from what you did before. Because enough people they know me can do these things. I plan to sing all over one soft song, one song say, lean on me when you're not strong. My voice not right now. But anyway, I just want to do a variety of music. But I want, if I'm going to play my album in MKR from distance to distance,
Yeah.
it can listen to the end. I don't want to put a song in it where I match up with it. You understand? So I have to pick carefully
Yes.
and address something there.
Where's your favorite place to perform?
New York, I'm lucky in New York. Anytime I go to New York, I show them always full.
Yeah. I guess a lot of Jamaicans there as well.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Of all the places you have performed now, where's the biggest stage you remember walking on? A show there, say, a biggest show that I do in terms of crowd.
I think when we go to the festival in Germany, I think right name? Jam Fest or something like that. I whole heap of them, man.
Yeah.
There's some, all when I go Japan, big crowd. Caribbean too, big crowd. So, more than most say, when I go Germany.
Yeah. Since you have been in the music, which is a long time now, in all honesty, despite the fact that you still look fairly young, what would you say is your biggest achievement to this day? The thing where you look upon and say, yes, Flourgon achieved that, I'm proud of myself.
Let me think the case with Miley.
Yeah.
That's one of them. And if you know, say, I still get enough love from my community, from the people, because it have to start from your community.
Yeah.
You understand? I don't even say your home, because that love they have compulsory from a community. You understand?
Yeah.
And to my country, to worldwide. Because you have to make sure that the people in the community have enough love and respect for you, so you have to show triple time. You understand? Not because you feel like you're a popular person, I say a star, then you can't go talk to a man where you say poor then I don't have nothing. It's a joy for me to go check all a big man and say, Dad, I hold this, or whatever, or share this with me. Sometimes, some people you say bring things, come share with me, I feel happy. Because some people just want things from the rich. No. I love when I look a poor friend come and say, I eat a box food and flour. You say, you want some? You understand what I try to say? A man bring all a pear, come give me. All a mango.
The little things in life.
Yeah. So if it just shows that people love you for what you do and how you do it and how you keep yourself. Because when you're an artist, people love how you keep yourself. When I talk, just clean. You have to keep your whole career and your life clean because people want to say, I'm an artist that you swindle and you swindle people. So I don't want nobody come here and say, me I run down a man and I chop him up and a man I run me down and I chop me up and I run around there with a gun. You understand? I go beat up a woman around there and then I come tell people, say, I'm sorry. No. I have to think before I act.
Yeah.
I learn that. You understand? So when a man say Flourgon, I love me not bash nobody. Me not grow that way there. A man come check me, show me respect, me show you 2 times the amount. You understand? Sometimes some people say me gone all and some look at ghetto here and I say, oh you gone down there, sir. Some people don't know show me enough love.
They have to represent.
And me have to go show them twice because I have to share too.
Yeah. All right,
Because the Bible says, to whom much is given, much is expected. So sometimes when my woman I say, Flo, you give us out, Lord God. Come say, you never swear me I get it. You understand? sometimes I might say it and they might feel
Cause
a way.
offense.
But I just the truth. I want to remember as a person of love.
Yeah.
I don't want a man remember me if say me have money. Me a bad man. No. I want to be good as best as me can.
Yeah.
So my friend them, all of them around me show them love.
Yeah.
And them show me love. So I'm not virgin in Nigeria. Saying, bona fide. You know, left one and
You
the
made
right.
mention that one of the things that drove you in the music is that you wanted to make a change in your family. You wanted to help. Yeah?
Yeah.
Every artist have something in them head where they move to achieve. Zane and thing. You said that your greatest achievement would be, you know, your victory with the case. But is there anything musically where you not achieve yet? Where you want to achieve that?
I want 2 Grammy too, you know.
You want 2 Grammy?
Yeah, man. I want 2 Grammy, man. I work on it, man.
You know, a deep album work and
Yeah.
lyrics and
Because
connects and
remember,
that
you
kind
know,
of flow.
and it's not easy, you know. Some people might just come and God bless them and then get it.
Yeah.
You have to work triple time hard. Don't look on Berries. Berries don't get no Grammy yet. That's how people are. Some people say Grammy look like it no fear.
Yeah.
For them man, they don't get no Grammy. I don't say Sanchez with none. People who me know do the groundwork and do the hard work. And I can't tell you, say, you know. Man like Berries, them man they work hard.
Very so
Sanchez.
win Grammy for choose still.
I don't know where the Grammy may call them man, they don't get no Grammy. I
True,
don't know why
that's
they
that.
don't give me no Grammy. But when I want some, you got to put in the work.
Put in the work.
You understand? I hope say somebody see it, because I don't know what cause it.
Yeah. Of all the songs where you sing over Flower, you have many hit songs. Which song would you say is your favorite song of the lot? The song where you met the most, or that you
Well, the song where me love the most, that's not it.
Yeah, it don't matter, man. That your favorite song, your favorite song. Which song you love the most of all the songs we ever voiced?
I sing a song where I have 2 were close,
Yeah.
and one of them not released yet. But I love it because it have been me. I want to say, enemies and camps around me and pointing their weapons at me. But no, I'm not afraid, cause the Lord watches over my soul. And I see the wicked man telling lies on me. And I see envy and I see greed. But Lord, I'm not afraid, cause you watches over me. Me no see where them come hate me for. Me no know where someone showed me for. Dear Lord, I try to live good all times. And I share every nickel and every dime. But Lord, this is no easy road. When the friends you love and trust, and them same one just want to throw you overboard. And some say, who judge and bless? No man can curse. I say, thank you, Jah. I'm way past the worst.
My thing.
I sang that.
Yeah. What's
Yeah.
the title of the song?
Enemies.
Enemies.
It talk about me.
Oh, so that is coming on the album.
Yeah.
So
I just love
the
that
title
song.
track that.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's bad,
Nice,
man.
nice. So the song that when you release, which one of them out of the release bundle are your favorite song?
Yeah. Man, hard, you know.
You have one, man. The one where you met
Me have
when you
one
had
where say-
drive.
Me have one where me say, me nah get rich and go switch. Couldn't get rich and go switch. Because some get rich and them a switch. Make you me rich. Alright, it's not something.
Yeah.
One day a man see me and I say, Flower God, give me a thing that me I say. You know, me not go there, no. Member say,
Are you will sing but I get switch
and
on
you will say you nah get rich and switch, you know. So me say, me not switch, me just not have money now. The man say, oh, me just want to know.
Yeah.
So it's like how you not switch.
Yeah.
You soon see me again. It just, me never know me that live for see. A day come when me look. Me face the almost every phone in the world. And me never do nothing bad.
Yeah.
Me I fight honestly. So me really give thanks to the Almighty.
Yeah.
Because I don't know how me could have do that.
Yeah.
I never expect nothing like this. That's why I say I can't be ungrateful. But I feel satisfied.
Which song is your biggest song commercially? That song that made the most money for Flower God?
Let's see we run things. But me have a song I love like Love Me Love Her Bad. Me love perform them song there. All who never, 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 never learn to dance from top. Sure. We run things no run. Old time dancing, come back. Now me love me girl bad. So me sing my song left.
Yeah, bad.
Medley.
Bad.
Now when I perform, I just like perform for y'all. A half hour before me really break on.
Yeah. Give
me
the
have
people
enough
them with them paper.
Yeah, me
Yeah,
have enough
catalog
song.
big.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Dragon give me him catalog before him dead, you know.
Yeah.
Some of them sing them.
Yeah.
All maga girl. Red Dragon have a nickname for them. Kukum.
Yeah, man.
So I have, if me perform, me not go boring
Yeah.
for the first. Me not go boring.
Who are the better DJ, Red Dragon or Flourgon?
Alright, honestly, I think my brother work harder than me musically. He make more bigger hit than me by far.
Yes.
Because him the one when him compliments girl and your kiss. And he's up on the chart with Michael Jackson there. And I think him not get,
The credit when deserved.
trust me. Because all who me hear talk about hit, me never see them have a song up with Michael Jackson them there.
Red Dragon a big name still in the flower. Big baby though.
You know, I mean all of them songs there. I remember
Yeah.
say most of them, we write them together.
Yeah.
So I can sing them if I want. And if I'm in a grave and him hear me sing them, I'm going to say, salute my brother.
Yes. So what you know, Daddy Gan? Looking at the journey in the music, yeah? If you were to redo it, would you do anything differently or you then take the same part?
Well, I think if we get the chance to do it again like that, me that work harder.
Yeah.
Because now I see the work where you put in from earlier, it will serve you forever. You understand? Me have a son now named Chada, he just come in. So the same thing I tell him, I say, Dada, work as hard as you can from in the beginning.
Yeah.
Because you're not sure at the end.
Sure. Put in the work when you can.
Yeah,
Make
have
it
to
while the
just put in,
sunshine,
put
I'm
in,
saying
put
it?
in. And you can't just sing and talk about money. Yo, admit. No. As you come, you're going to reach that the problem with music. Nobody now sing no music for stand up.
Nah,
And man
last.
just say, yo, anything where you have to say,
For boss and to keep the hype, I'm going to do it. No substance.
that. So, all right. And again, me not see no producers in our music no more. Because every man can set up him own a little studio and him sing what him want to sing. Him not have nobody to say, yo, don't sing that, man.
Yeah, nobody
And
for
that
guide him.
Yeah, nobody to
When
say.
you're half key, brother, you're half key. Fix that.
Yeah, a man tell a
Add
man, say,
this,
yo,
change that.
oh, you talk, you know, say a style that. Then me no hear man a sing and go off and
must say
me
a
say, you
style.
kind of have this.
The half key style.
The man a say, I would have brother, that man. What you know about music?
Yeah.
Then that's how them
Well, as the
still.
man said, in relation to you, I would
Yeah,
have brother
man.
when
How would that man? What man don't know about music? The man they have some old dinosaur, you know. But you can't call Sly and Robbie a dinosaur. And then me see I get the Grammy them. And I produce a song them when I go up there. You understand? So you have to have respect for the root.
yeah.
And at that, I say enough you not do. But I love them because I say them have some nice songs. You say the young youth, them bad, you know?
Yeah.
If a man say the young youth, them not bad, I lie them I tell. See, in general, them words, enough of them were even more brilliant than
That is
enough
true
of-
still.
So them
Lyrically, many of them bad still.
How will you say,
In
man?
terms of performance and stagecraft and constructing and good song we are gonna last, them kind of lack the guidance still. Because you say, you know, Dave Kelly again and Tony Kelly, you understand, Donovan Jeremy now work with no whole heap of young artists, Bobby Digital just passed, Winston Riley gone. So most of the legendary producer them, you still have Uncle T still, you understand. But enough of the man them not there around again.
And I think you say the producer, that's just listen, enough man not listen. Because a man feel like say trim drive and big fat Benz. A man will walk,
Can't tell him
nothing. You understand? And enough man are sing and them not sing pan a key and them guys.
Style, man.
So, but I love them, man.
So you wouldn't work harder if you were to do it over again.
Then I must.
You want to change nothing, just work harder.
Just work, put in more work. Put in more work, that's you have enough. So that's why I love Albini, man. The man didn't stop work.
Never. Yeah, take
I
that
want
credit
to see
for
man say,
true.
Beanie, man, you don't sleep, man, you're not in bed.
Yeah, never stop work for true.
Always at work. And all of the people where you see dep on top, look at all cartel, them still at work, all of them there in prison. So you have to put in the work, Baba.
Yeah.
Boy, I should have put in more, but me still, as we say, give
May you
thanks.
mention your son? How many kids?
We get few, about 5.
Oh, 5 kids.
1 and 2 look a jacket here and there. Because you know I saw Jamaica still.
Married?
No,
Ever been married?
no.
Plan to get married?
I don't even know, you know. But watch out now. My woman I'm there with my wife.
And your wife. So just make it official, man.
It's official, man. It's official. I don't know if I really celebrate marriage.
Yeah.
But my woman I live with is my wife because she cook my food and look after me and take care of me. So she have to be my wife.
Yeah.
But I don't know where I'm going to more.
Yeah.
Because I know I'm married and got divorced.
Yeah.
So if I'm married, I have more than sure me and my woman there. But
You can't sure still, but I understand still, but
you're married there?
no.
So where the
But you almost twice the age still, brother. Eh?
But I don't know that
almost
yes,
two
now I'm
times
not
the
to
age.
marriage.
Yeah, man.
Nah, man.
You
yes,
can't
nah,
marry
man.
too young, but you have to live like a life first.
So when I'm married,
so
no life
married
you live.
still.
When I'm married, no life you
married
live.
still.
Why, if we could have do it over, I don't know. See my virgin there, I go marry them, throw him out of marriage. No, you know why I'm not jump and marry?
Yeah.
I don't want divorce.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if I feel embarrassed. If you know, say.
No, if you divorce, you just divorce, you just not work out, floor, man. Not embarrassment, no, night. You just not work out. Your brethren not embarrassed.
Sorry.
Yeah, easy serious.
No, man, but I'm not married, but
Yeah.
I think about it.
Yeah, man.
Because them say it honorable in front of the Most High.
Yeah.
But me not married for styling.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm married for love and
Yeah.
companionship and
Yeah,
everything,
me
and
I'm married for the
stability.
distance where we go.
Yeah.
For no say, it would have been ungrateful for me to share with this woman. And
Yeah.
that make me married. Me don't want to marry a girl who she round and sexy and wish she have.
Not
and
because she's a big body girl.
yeah, me want to marry somebody who me know, love me, and me love that person.
Yeah.
And me know say, I do so. Because at the end of the day, you know, we're not going to go too far. You know? Because if I'm at 50, you know, you must have about 20 more years left, you know, strong, you know.
Yeah.
So it's short. So we have to live it as best as we can. Because if you live past 70, you know, the amount of pain we are feeling, you want to go home, you know.
Yeah.
So when a man say I want to go 100, him can't go and talk, you know, because I'm just in my 50s, you know, and both of me at me.
Drink some more Cyrus, man.
You just get on this morning and feel like you're back gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So what you know, Flower? You say you're working on an upcoming album, yeah? So Flourgon is still in the studio, still
Yeah,
putting
man.
in the work.
Yeah, man.
Flourgon is around, alive and well.
Yeah, man.
Not $300 million rich, but can put food on the table.
Yeah, man. And that's all I want to look food on the table, man.
Yeah.
And me can put some on my neighbor table too. So
That makes sense. Any performances coming up anytime
most
soon?
of the things them kind of
Push
postponed
back because of the COVID situation.
Yeah, man, but at the first for a long time, I get too much show. This year, I say, me sharp up, me start exercise, eat be a vegetable and then so me get slim one day, man. And
Slim good, man.
I'm a tune up, you know, everything can say, me vex.
I work still, man.
But, what are them things there?
Every disappointment is for an appointment, innit? Yeah. For the
By
people
the
them out there, though, we want to get through to Flourgon, whether it's for bookings, dub plate, whatever it is. Not for begging no money, but you understand, things where you are going to benefit from. How they go about doing that?
Well, you can't find me easy, man. You can't go find any one of the media.
Social media, them. What your name on social, on Instagram?
Flourgon, original Flourgon.
Facebook?
Same original Flourgon. Because one of my son named Flower too, you know.
Okay.
So he put up him thing. So I say, oh, you name Flourgon, but someone say, how will I talk about that?
So the Flourgon fans them, the old one, and I guess you would gain some new fans, so the whole thing will come
Yeah,
up.
man.
And what you have to tell them, sir?
Why would look forward to see me here, man? I mean, I'm going to show me more love. I'm showing a double time.
Yeah.
And when you see me have a little concert, you can't come out, man. Because you're not going to enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
It's going nice. I mean, I say enough respect and love to all the people that show me love over the years, through the rough time and all times. And just take care of yourself, see, in this rough time too. Because this COVID time, and I laugh at people. You know.
Take care of yourself, brother.
You have to take care of yourself.
So son, that
Quarantine is so far away from you. That's the same, me no respect and love you,
everything good, man. Everything good. Flourgon, what made you grow your hair?
Well, it's a love of Rastafari.
Yeah.
It's a
The
Rasta.
levity.
You know, but I chew you see you, so 3.5. I chew me can't take.
You will by year.
Yeah, man. You drink all milk, the whole of your face, milk up and everything there. But it don't have nothing to do with the inside of the person.
Yeah.
And everything where you hear me talk here, so, and the truth from Flourgon.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you can name this the truth from Flourgon. Me not tell no lie from me there. You understand?
I appreciate it, brother.
Yeah,
brother.
man, true.
Brother, go and put in the work.
Yeah,
You understand? Good music will always last the test of time.
Yeah, man,
You
you do the
understand?
same,
And
man.
see it there, you never know again when next one I sang them,
One
somebody
more
might
time,
use it.
bro. But this time, them are going to make sure them come deal with it.
Link yo, brother. Big up yourself. You hear
Yeah,
yourself?
man, enough
Manners
love,
and respect every
and
time,
take care of
brother.
yourself and the
Blessings,
crew,
man.
see?
Blessings.
All right, enough love. Teach them around things not around me. And anything we done, it have be done properly. Teach them. Yeah, man, come to video, man. Yeah, General Flourgon and Das. Bam! Yes. Teach them now, get rich and go switch. You mad? Couldn't get rich and go switch. You know, say, money tick. We not switch. Flourgon say, teach them, bless up every time. And again, teach them is in the wilderness, but still we call on His Majesty's name. Jah! Teach them. Remember this. Enemies and camps around me and pointing their weapons at me. But teach them you're not afraid, cause the Lord watches over your soul. Flourgon said, blessed. Bam.
This video was brought to you by DS Electronics Unlimited.
Are you looking for reliable and efficient service, affordable rates, world-class customer service? Visit DS Electronics Unlimited. We offer expert repairs to LCD, LED, smart TVs, and Android TVs. We offer warranties on all repairs. Visit www.dselectja.com or call 876-841-4968 for more details.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.